Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M12, the latest smartphone from Samsung. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes in blue, black and white color models. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes in two models. It comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage capacity, and the other comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage capacity. Memory can be expanded up to 1TB. The phone is dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, capable with dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It has a 6.5-inch HD Plus TFT LCD screen with Infinity V-Cut display with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. The phone is equipped with quad camera setup. It has 48 megapixel f2.0 main camera, 5 megapixel f2.2